After exercise 8A, I am starting exercise 8B. What problems we are having in exercise 8B? So directly starting exercise 8B because there is no new topic before exercise 8B. That means the concepts and the base, whatever we have used in that exercise 8A, the same process is in exercise 8B. Okay, so the first question is, Deepak bought a basket of mangoes containing 250 mangoes. So the first is total mangoes 250. So 12% of these were found to be rotten. 12% of these were found to be rotten. Rotten means what? Wasted one. Okay. So first we will find about rotten mangoes. So rotten mangoes equals to 12% of total mangoes. Total is 250. So we will find 12% of 250. Okay. So 12% of 250. 12% can be written as 12 by 100. Of stands for multiplication into 250. So this 0 and 0 get cancelled. Then 5, 2 ja, 5, 5 ja. Then 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. So 6 5 ja, 30. That means rotten mangoes are 30. So simply this 30 are not in use because we can't eat that rotten mangoes. Okay, so we will subtract this rotten mangoes from total mangoes. So the remaining mangoes equals to 250 total mangoes, 30 rotten. So remaining mangoes 220 which are in fresh condition. Okay, then now it is given 10% got crushed. 10% got crushed. So mangoes which were crushed, that we have to find now. So 10%. Okay, so you will find 10% of 220, not for 250. 10% 220 का फाइंड आउट करना है, 250 का नहीं करना है. 250 का क्यों नहीं करेंगे? क्योंकि 30 मैंगोज़ जो थे वो रॉटन थे, ख़राब थे, तो उनको हमने फेंक दिया है. तो हमारे पास टोटल मैंगोज़ जो हैं वो 220 अवेलेबल है. सो 10% ऑफ 220. ओके, सो नाउ 10% कैन बी रिटन एज 10 by 100 into 220. So this 0 0 get cancelled, then this 0 get cancelled. As you can see, 1 upon 1 means 1 and into 22 22. So 22 mangoes got crushed. So again these mangoes are not in use, so we will subtract 22 from 220. Okay, so remaining mangoes after crushed. So 220 minus 22. So 198. So hence 198 mangoes are in good condition. Okay, so that we have to find. Almost all the questions are having similar pattern like this question number 1. Okay, so next question number 2. In a maths quiz of 60 questions, in a math quiz of 60 questions, Chandra got 90% correct answers and Ram got 80% correct answers. How many correct answers did each give? That we have to find. What percent is Ram's correct answers to Chandra's correct answers? Okay, so total 60 questions are there. Then Chandra got 90% correct answers. Okay, then Ram got 80% of correct answers. So first we have to find how many correct answers did each give Chandra and Ram. Then we have to find percent of Ram's correct answer to Chandra's correct answer. That also we have to find. So we are finding percent, so means we will multiply by 100. Okay, so first we are solving this part. So total number of questions, equals to 60. Now Chandra got correct answers equals to 90% of 60 questions. So 90% can be written as 90 by 100 into 60. 0, 0 get cancelled, 0, 0 get cancelled. In denominator only 1 is here, so leave. Then 9 6 are 54. That means Chandra got 54 correct answers. Similarly, you have to find for Ram. Same statement will be there. So for Ram, 80% means 80 upon 100 into 60. 0, 0 get cancelled, 0, 0 get cancelled. 8 6 are 48. So Ram got 48 correct answers. Now percent we have to find Ram's answers to Chandra's answer. So Ram's answers got correct 48. राम के कितने आंसर सही हुए? 48 सही हुए. देन डिवाइड बाय चंद्रा के कितने सही हुए? 54 सही हुए इंटू 100. सो नाउ 3 1 जा 3, 1 remaining, 8 will become 18, 3 6 जा 18. Then sorry, this is not divisible. Yes, this is divisible by 3. 3 16 जा, then 3 18 जा, then 2 8 जा, 2 9 जा. Okay. Then further 100 into 8, 800 divided by 9%. So this is your required answer. If you want to convert in next fraction, you can. So from there you will get 88 8 by 9%. Okay. So this is your question number 2. Then question number 3. In an examination, the maximum marks are 900. A student gets 33% of the maximum marks and fails by 45 marks. What is the passing mark? Also find the pass percentage. So the first is maximum marks. So maximum marks equals to 900. Okay. Then student got 33% of maximum marks. A student got 33% of maximum marks. So 33% of maximum marks, and maximum marks 900. So 33% of 900. So 33 by 100 into 900. 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. Then 33 into 9. So 33 into 9 you will get 297. Okay. So this marks 297 marks that the student got. Now the student fails by 45 number. Okay. So number of marks by which he failed, that is 45 marks. So simply स्टूडेंट को 297 मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं और वो 45 मार्क्स उसको और मिलते तो वो पास हो जाता. ठीक है. तो 297 में 45 ऐड करेंगे. So that is 2 4 3 342. That means passing marks जो हैं वो 342 है. ओके. Now percentage that we have to find of passing marks. So as you know, passing marks means what? Obtained, that is 342, divided by total, that is 900, into 100. 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. Okay, so then 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Okay, so from there you are getting 7 remaining, these two will become 72. So 9 8 ja 72. So 38% is answer. Okay, then question number 4 you can solve.